Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Drawing human body is really absorbing. It's both an artistic and meditative practice. When I start live drawing, for example, drawing a hand, first I look at the model carefully, then I look again. Even if I'm drawing hand pose, I spend most of the time looking and a much smaller portion of the time drawing. I ask myself what I can see, how much space is between the fingers, or how does one part of the form blinds up against another. If I don't look at my model, it means that I'm drawing from memory or inventing something. So it's not an accurate drawing. Human body is not a solid three-dimensional form. So I don't focus drawing on the outline and I try to draw from the center outwards and apply tone from the outset. Doing the outline first can make your drawing look flat. Children's art is like that. It's great fun for them, but a real hand is full of textures, bumps, and hollows. While drawing a model, every few minutes I step back, take a look at the model to see if it looks right, how are the proportions, how is the whole figure, and if the answer is yes, I carry on. But if not, I change it. Change whatever is needed. It's important not to rush into the details before to make sure with the composition and proportions. While you are drawing a live model, the model pose, lightening, and the timing and everything that comprises a live drawing are challenges that you have to deal with. And there are some aspects that you have control over. The materials you are going to use is really important. The position which you are in has effect on the outcome of your drawing. It's really important to make sure that you have a good and clear view of the model. Most of the time, I try to work standing up. This gives me a scope to look around the pose and to stand back from the easel to better gauge proportions. For getting level up, I dive into some anatomy books and study up. It will seriously level up my understanding of human form. And another thing that I try is learning from other artists. For example, copying other artists' artworks is really helpful. Lastly, have fun with it. Life drawing is all about enjoying the process. So don't stress about making everything perfect. Try out new materials, experiment with different techniques, and just go with the flow. After all, drawing people is pretty darn cool, so embrace it and have a blast. Happy drawing!